Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. And I have officially stuck my foot into stock indexes. So if you haven't seen my latest video on the SPY and also my gold video, please go check that out. I just put that out yesterday. So I'm really interested to see how well my analysis holds up in stock indexes. And so far, so good. But anyway, it is 7:46 a.m. on February 10th, 2025, coming to you hot, okay, from sunny Florida. And here we go. Starting off our analysis with dollar yen. The level right now that has to hold is 151.97. We are very, very close to that level. If 151.97 goes, it is going to go back into a bearish tone, and we have a potential to dip down to right around this. I would go this low bars close, which is the same as the other one. So hang on a second here. Why can't? Oh, I got to exit the drawing mode. Too much coffee already. Too many espressos. But there we are, 151.34. If we have potential to reverse back up in dollar yen for the day, we're probably looking to creep up to around 152. All right, I'll go 152 like 90. Let's go 153 to figure. 153 to figure. Right up in here. So let me get a line. Let's go 153. Right there, 153.01. Close enough. All right, so dollar yen still is in a bearish tone, but it's consolidating a little bit, and really the market this morning I'm really like a little confused about it. I really want to sell euro yen, but I don't want to sell it at 156, 90. I sold some at 157 the figure. I'm not really comfortable with it. But I got the trade on. My system gave me a signal sell at 157.15, but I was getting a cup of espresso at that time, and I ended up selling 15 pips lower, which is not something I like to do. But I'm short euro yen at 157 the figure. I got my stop loss at 157.53. And as I move into money, I'll slowly move my stop down, but that's for another time. But that's what we're going on. That's what's going on in dollar yen right now. Sterling dollar, really boring currency. It's been doing the same thing that it always does. It's really consolidating in this big rectangle right here. For the day, really, I had a support point right here at 123.91. It's just playing around that number. If it breaks this number, if it breaks down with any type of muzzle velocity, we're probably going back down towards 123 to figure. The only way that shows any type of strength, it needs to get over this recent high that we have right here at 125, say. 125 is the important point for sterling to get over to show any type of strength. I just believe that it's going to continue in this rectangle right now. I don't think it's going to do much. I think all the play is in dollar yen. So you got to watch that dollar yen. And that will drive the crosses. So let's go over to sterling yen. All right, sterling yen. Resistance level right now stands at 188.70, 188.73. So 75, close enough. That's the resistance level right now. In order to show any type of strength, it needs to get back above this. And really, there's resistance at, we went up to a high of 189.14. There is resistance, well, obviously right there, but the next level is 189.53 up top. 189.54, close enough. So right now, sterling yen is breaking lower. It's heading towards the 188. Like, I would have to go 188. 188, the figure level is the next level I have. So it's starting to drift lower. It's all going to be on dollar yen. So the dollar yen break of that 151, say 95 level really could propel sterling yen lower. Or if you start to see some movement in cable where it's just sliding, the dollar yen is stable at 152, the cross is continuing lower. Let's go on to euro yen. All right, so euro yen. Oh, there was the level right there. That's a weekly level, 157.02. It's broken down below that. It's drifting lower, potentially to 156.35. What was the high? The high so far has been what, 42. There's obviously there's resistance up there, right? It happened, but the level I had above that was really like 157.90 and 157.90, 157.93. Is that right? Let me make sure. 157. Okay, 158.01. Sorry, 158. So 158, that's the level of main resistance right now. The break below, a break below, say, let's say 90. Okay, that's the level really I was thinking when I got the sales signal at 15. I go, a break below 156.90 is kind of showing weakness, which is happening right now. It's got to hold below, this recent high of 157, say 50, right? So that's why I'm short. My stop's like 53. I don't know why I'm not comfortable with it, but I'm just not. I mean, it's moving in my direction, but I'm just like, maybe it's just too much espresso, but I'm just like keeping really a close eye on it. Like markets can be tricky. So signal came in, took it, but and we're in the money a little bit. I'm just watching it really cautiously. So anyway, there are your currencies in less than 8 minutes. And remember, please, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Please leave some comments for me. Tell me what you want me to cover. I'm thinking of going into a little bit of stocks. I don't know what ones people really trade. So tell me, hey, I'm interested in NVIDIA, or I'm interested in, I don't know, XYZ company, or, Great Shakes Corporation, whatever it is. So again, remember always, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.